are going live right now for the new update on Roblox fight in the school. I heard there's a lot going on in the new update. There's an outdoor uh, fighting part where you can go outside of the place, and weapons and gloves are found on the floor. So here, check it out. Let's go. All right, let's see what's going on. We got the crazy Samoan crew on. We're all on here right now. All right, let's go check it out. See what the new update's about. Find my clan. Let's go. Oh, look at this guy. This guy's new. What the heck is this? New special items.
You get it in the.
Oh, look at this guy.
Stand still. Where are you? I'm coming.
Everybody over here. I was trying to see what all the new. Look at quests. They got a new quest thing going on in here. Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh. What is that quest thing? Oh, it's not even open yet.
I gotta invite you.
Yep. Sip. Ooh. Who else? Let's see, where do we go? Oh, nothing. Received quests. Oh, it says I received a quest. What is that? Oh, where do I go look at it?
I need a kill, man. I'm gonna die, and I just got my brass knuckle.
Alright. Look at this. Look, I'm grabbing a can.
No, that's a bunch in.
Oh, what? I grabbed gloves?
Oh, wait. That's so cool, Dad.
Yeah, I just grabbed some gloves.
Dad, you know what's so cool?
What?
Those items spawn, and if the first person to grab them gets them.
Oh, what? Let's go out here and test them out.
There's a
Oh, that's Chance. My bad, Chance. Hey, look at Chance's skin, though. It looks pretty dope.
Dad, I need your kill.
Ooh. What's... Oh, okay.
Dad, I need your kill.
Okay.
Dad, I need your kill.
Let's go.
I have brass knuckles. No! I just lost my brass knuckles. I just got 250. No.
Dang, what the heck?
You can find them outside. They're all free.
They're all over the place.
Stuff outside.
I'm grabbing the bat. I'm done.
Get these trash cans. Let's grab them. These are fun to play with.
I know they're everywhere. I didn't know they were everywhere. Oh, they are outside. There's boxing gloves out here.
Oh, let me see if I can find some on here. Oh, yep. Look at this shank. Look at that.
That's so
Find them
cool.
on the floor. You don't have to spend money.
That's the best.
I'm over here.
Is that a shake?
Let's test it out. Okay, sorry, guys. Just want to try.
Hey, got my brass
Oh,
knuckles
what?
back.
Dang, it's crazy. This is nuts, man. I don't even want. How do you drop the knife?
Oh wait, Chance, I gotta invite you. Sorry.
Yeah, this actually stand hard.
I got brass knuckles. You can't hit me. We're on a team, Chance.
But I can. Oh, damn, 2 hits? Damn.
Wait, I can't hit you on the ground?
Oh my god.
Yeah, everybody's just mobbing each other. Oh, it's the outside. Is this to the outside? No. It's that door. Oh, you guys are all out there?
Yeah, because some guys just
That's
tried to
cool.
attack us. Watch out,
Cool.
Chance.
Oh, cool. I better get my stats. Man, look at this.
Look, I got brass knuckles. What in the world, Chance?
What is it? I wonder what this square is for.
Oh, nothing.
Decoration.
Here's fair fights if you want to win.
Oh, look, there's a bat right here.
You're gonna add stuff out there too. Oh, it's coming back.
Yeah, get the bat. That's the most powerful tool in the game.
For real?
Yeah.
We could just use it. Smack.
Get in there, guys. That's how you get your kill up fast. Get the bat.
Damn, I'm just getting smacked. Dang. I'm just getting beat up over here. Even with the bat, I'm getting beat up. All right, let's see what's going on over here. Let me get in on
Oh,
this.
I'm about to
Let me
get
get
the
in
jump.
on. Let me get in on this over here.
I got the shit.
Whoa!
It's an unfair fight.
There you go.
Oh, we finished them off. I was gonna throw a chair. What? Get him, Dad. Chair just stuck. Yeah, get him.
This guy's over here.
What's this?
Ooh.
Okay, yeah. Dad, look what I found underneath the bleachers. Someone must have left it here because.
Oh damn! What the heck? Yo, I'm getting jumped. Ooh. I still get beat up. Dang.
Oh no, I'm getting dropped. Good thing I still have my bag.
Let me go in here. I think that one of these rooms got boxing gloves in them. I think it's this one. Let's check over here. This room.
Ooh,
Let
me check.
I don't see it in there. Let's go. We are what cases? What the heck is cases? Oh, that's it. Crates, Did they upgrade any fighting moves? VIP equip.
No, there's no fighting move yet.
14.
I found a bat and
That's
I
a
got so
13.
many kills at once. Dad, I got so many
Excuse
kills
me.
at once actually.
Dang. Alright, where's everybody at? Outside?
Dad, you know how many kills I had before?
What?
46. Guess how much
Oh,
I have now?
How much?
956
Okay.
from those
Fair fights?
yeah.
Look.
I just did my quest.
I just got killed by those
Okay.
people. I'm fighting another bat. That was actually really easy to find.
Dang, look at this. Fighting in the schoolyard.
And I just found one. Dad, come here. I got you.
Oh no, man. I'm getting whooped over here.
Look, I got a bat. I was
The
fighting
shake
bat.
is the strongest.
It is?
Yeah.
Let me see the weapon. Then why is the bat more expensive?
Because it's a bet. Stab.
I could do it.
Stab.
Well, that's actually kind of true, though. Too bad you get little health from using it, though. Hey. Alright, game.
Oh.
Bro, I feel like do both of you. Look, I got a bat. I got a big bat. Big bat, big bat, big bat, big bat.
Hey, you got gloves.
These bathrooms are all like nasty. Someone gotta clean the boys' bathroom. Dad, come here. You want help?
I think I'm gonna change my guys.
Hey. Come on, Matthew, get her.
Finally gonna fight today.
Oh,
Hey, she's a Felicia.
oh,
She's dead.
Yeah, isn't that Felicia's skin?
Dad, you're gonna kill me. Dad, yo, yo. I need help. Actually, Dad, you want to kill me? Okay. Oh, she's right behind you.
Felicia, bye Felicia.
oh, my goodness.
But isn't it like,
Damn. Where did all these people come from? Damn.
I'm gonna throw a
They
chair.
just everyone just came out of nowhere.
I'm throwing a chair.
Damn.
Okay, yeah. Get hit in the
Oh,
face with the chair. Yeah. I found what I need. Oh, what is happening? What is happening? I can't even breathe without someone hitting me. I know where a bat is, and I'm trying to get that bat, but I can't if people keep telling me.
All right, let's go outside.
There's a bat under the bleachers. Or there.
Oh, him. Oh, maybe that's why. Maybe he wanted to reset his life. Chose me to take it. That guy got a Seahawks jersey on. Whoop! Too much going on in this garden over here.
There's bat snuffles over here for people. If anyone wants to grab them. Dad, come outside. You want bat snuffles? Yeah. Dad, come outside. There's bat snuffles right now. And also, I want to see if something works. Okay, I need you to run to your left. Oh, never mind. I didn't say it.
Are these guys all in the group over here? Because they're all just. I don't know if they're fighting each other or they're jumping me.
Yeah, they're jumping you.
Oh, they are in the gang. Oh, what?
Now stay out their way because we don't have much people. Okay, I need you to see that corner over there you're staring at. No, left, right. Sit. Keep on right until I say stop. Yeah, do you see me over here in this corner?
Yeah.
Come over here, just rest knuckles. I also want to test if you could glitch each other out. Oh. That's a fancy area. And then we'll just sit there.
Oh, dang, you got a little spot over here. Here, glitch me through this wall or no?
Yeah, I can glitch you through the hole. I just need to change the like takedowns.
All right, I'm gonna stand right here. All right. You guys seen it first here, glitching on the other side of the fence there.
Alright. Oh, whoopsie. Uh-oh, I can't do it with the bat. Hold on. I need to reset. I can't
I'm just
You
gonna.
stay over there. Don't worry, get dropped by those gangs. Matt, come here. Matt.
Because if we get glitched through here, guess what? We could walk around that building right there.
Alright, let's see. Yeah. Oh,
Did I get glitched?
no.
Wait, try right here. Try to do it right here.
You need to be walking in.
Here you go.
Yep. Yep.
Hey.
Yep. Matt, you wanna turn? Someone gotta
You can't even get up. You can't even get up.
Oh, I'm stuck. Hold up. Let me.
The trees are blocking you from getting up.
And also, it's probably Hold on. Let me,
That's probably why they put the trees here.
Oh, I thought it was for like, you know.
so, I mean, we made it through, but problem is,
But you could go through the leaves. That's the thing.
I'm like on the ground. Try to get someone else to
Alright.
get someone else glitched through it.
Okay. Matthew, you ready? You gotta be walking in.
And maybe
Yeah.
if Matthew stopped me,
What?
Oh, they didn't guess me through.
try it.
Oh. That's over here. Hey, it's hard to get over there. What about a different area? Also,
Alright.
you're gonna die. Don't need to
I think I'm gonna respawn.
I'm just gonna kill you. Because you're gonna die. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna reset.
Yeah, I think we'll do that.
Maybe back outside. I think I have an area.
If we can't get through the fence, the right way, then the walls. See the walls? They have like.
I know, but like still. I got you. I found like a blank space over here outside, so I think this one will work. You guys ready? Yeah. Matt, oh, that's it. Alright, Matthew, try this one. This area. This looks promising.
Oh, bruh. My game just crashed.
Oh, what?
Wait, that's me.
No, let's do it over there. Don't want people to copy us.
Well, yeah. It's okay. You're stuck.
I don't think if we can, huh? I think we're always gonna be.
No, it's just the next day.
Alright, respawn. I'm gonna go find a wall and then glitch me through the wall.
Alright.
I'm gonna find. I think if you. Let's see. We'll find out what's on the other side of that wall.
What?
What's on the other side of that? So the bathroom's right here. Those are the bathrooms. So what's on that side?
It's the girls' bathroom is on that side, so I think if we could switch to the walls in the bathroom, then we can head.
This way. Alright, I'll go this way. This is the only way it's gonna work. You gotta go out here.
My game just crashed.
One of these walls over here. Probably this wall. Let's find
There's
out.
too many people in the game.
I gotta look through the. Trying to see if I can. What's on the other side of this wall? If we can't see it, then it won't work.
My game won't work in there.
I can't see through the wall.
I think you can go to this wall right here.
You can see through it?
You can, I guess. Yeah.
Oh, you want to try?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on. Oh,
Oh,
hold on. Let me change my attack.
Where you guys at?
Which is the best attack for this?
Drop kick.
Drop kick. All right.
Kick over the window. Yeah, jump. Unlock. Where you guys at?
We're in the
Oh,
room right
heck
now.
no.
Okay.
Got this. Please don't turn here.
How's it look like, Matthew?
hey.
Hey,
Um,
Matthew made
it's a
it.
small little area.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I think the wall you gotta go through is the other side.
I'm still stuck in the gym.
Crap. Leave me alone. What the heck?
Ooh, a shake.
Hmm. Matthew made it through. Let me go outside and see if I can see him.
Bro, I just got double teamed shake.
No, I don't see him. Yeah, can you come to the that room out there?
No, I can't.
Where are you?
I don't know where you guys are at. And number two, there's teamers in the gym, so every time I go through there, they tell me the whole gang is in there, so I can't really go in there. Where is Matthew anyway?
He glitched through the wall. He's out there in
Um,
I don't know which
yeah, I'm
room.
kind of stuck in this little area.
Which room?
There's
though?
nowhere else
trying
to
to go
walk
in
through.
You gotta come over here right across from the cafeteria.
This
Oh,
room?
this one right here.
It's not either. What in the world? What is everyone's problem?
I can see people fighting. See the three guys are fighting in the hallway. I see Renee walking through the door.
Oh, there's a shake over here.
Yeah, kick me through the wall quick before they get here.
What about me?
Let's do it real quick. Where's Chance? Come now.
I can't. I have the shake in my hand.
Hey, what the? Hey, stand against the wall. Let me do you already. Hurry.
It's better on this other side of the wall. Oh my gosh.
There. Just need someone to kick me to the wall. Dang. Oh wait, I think I saw you guys.
You can.
Oh yeah, I see it. There it is.
There's a wow, 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 wow.
Wait, Chance, where you at, Chance?
Wait, Matthew, right behind this wall. It's the actual outside, right here. Right here, this actual wall.
I can't even see. Oh yeah, it's right here. It's literally right here.
Oh, you guys reset your character. You guys got to come back out right over here. Oh wait, never mind. I see Matthew. He's staring at the wall.
It's a very thick wall, just that you know. Right here, where I'm walking on, is the border.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I can't go any
Yeah,
closer.
come over here. Let me try to glitch you through here. Never mind. This wall's too thick.
What about this one? Can you put the drop kick and drop kick through this one?
You see, that glitched through the wall.
All right, Matthew. I think we gotta reset and rethink this, or I gotta reset. Cause we're both gonna die soon. One more hit.
Turn around and look at the camera. Yeah, right there. Let's stop right there.
Hey!
I can see you guys. You guys are gonna
Face
see.
this way, Matthew. Face this way.
Sorry for the food in the mouth.
No! Face this way. Face this way.
Let me
Stop.
kill you.
Matthew, he was trying to take the intro photo.
Mhm.
Could not do that now.
Hold on, Matthew. Face to your left. Go a little to your left. Right there. Stop right there. All right, I'm gonna take a photo so we can use this for the
Oh, I want to be in the photo.
boom screenshot. That's gotta be our the glitch through the wall. I can see.
Dad, can you glitch me through the wall?
No, he glitched me. She already been through the wall.
That's not the right one. That's too big.
Oh, let's go find the right one then. Here, glitch me over here. Do this
Not
door.
that one. The other one that I'm in.
Wait, this one?
Yeah.
There. Glitch me right here.
And then someone gonna pull me out from the other side.
Here we go, glitching. Ooh.
Can
Hey.
you come and pull me out?
Let's
The
go.
behind slam or something?
Yeah, hold on. Let me change my moves. Just stand right next there. Takedowns. What is it called?
I don't know. Just find one.
This one, yeah. Wait, it's the spine breaker.
Yeah. I think.
Oh, that's level 85. Hold on.
You gotta get one of yours.
Hey, hold on. Let me find one that's right there. Neck drop. Yep, it's the neck drop. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, where exactly? Oh, there you are.
Alright, ready? Click it.
Okay, I keep going for that weapon right
Here,
there.
I'll move right here then.
Dang, now I gotta wait till my slam reset. Did you get hit?
Ow, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Let me see if all this.
Alright, here. This is how you glitch. Okay, it's reloading. Ready, set, go.
It just did not glitch me at all.
Let me change my move. Let me
Actually,
change it.
can you grab me or something? Yeah, I gotta reset first before I get killed because I need to get.
Where you at? Which I go back?
No.
Oh, damn. I just pushed you back into
Oh, heck no.
Whoopsies.
Here, glitch me back now. Let's go explore the other areas.
Bro, the phone is so glitchy. I can't do anything.
I'll just get myself because
No, Matthew, change your moving. Grab me through the wall.
Dad, is there a charger anywhere? Yeah, man, right there. They didn't see it, and I took.
We should have made a different stream for the glitch because this was only for the new updates. We're over here glitching through the walls.
It's fine. It might as well be part of the stream. I'm joining you guys. Back. Alright. I'm coming back. After this, you guys can play some baddies. Hey! That's really rude of you, actually.
Okay, here, go. Hey, you did the left side. You're supposed to do straight down the middle. You did that wrong.
Not my fault. Not your fault. I pressed the button. You're right. Yeah.
Here, no, let's not glitch to that wall. We gotta go to the There's another wall.
Matthew,
what?
I felt the force spinning like a helicopter.
Where Matthew like try to knock me through the wall.
I was spinning like a helicopter.
Which one is it again?
It's the drop kick.
Drop kick.
Yeah, right over here. Boom. Yep, there it is. Now I'm gonna go just walk around. Dang, that's weird. They put a block there to stop it.
We're in one of the classrooms. Oh.
Stop.
Yeah, there's no way out of here.
Oh, hell no.
Whoopsies. I guess.
Alright, where you want me to grab you from? Which side?
That's it.
Alright, get over here.
Right here.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, grab. Or 1, 2, 3, grab. Ooh. Damn, why didn't it grab? Do it again. I did it to man. I gotta test the punch. Did you get punched?
Yeah.
Okay.
One tap. Oh my god. It didn't work.
Dang. Okay, so just the drop kick was gonna work. Drop kick. So whoever is drop kicking, gotta drop kick.
Wait, then one person has to be left behind if it only the only.
Oh, okay, I see. So
Hold on.
we all three of us gotta get through here in order to get to the yard, the back out over here, so we can explore and see what else they got going on over here. See, look
Wait.
at that.
Hey, hold on.
I can
Wait,
see
Matthew,
everything over there.
throw the trash can at me. I have one on at the wall. Do I glitch through?
They,
I kind of.
I can't
Hey,
do that.
hey! I said once, not 3 times. You're literally so rude.
Oh, snap, my bad, Jesus. I was trying to throw that in.
Damn, I know I can't pull you through. Let me change my maybe I gotta.
Miss. Bro, stop!
Oh, I just glitched out.
Haha, that's what you get.
It just glitched me out.
So who's coming through the wall? Try to come to the wall again. Let me see if I can grab you.
I just saw shit glitch out. I just saw chance fell through the floor. Literally.
Oh, I can see you guys. Are you guys fighting?
Yeah, he keeps on hitting me.
Yeah, just stand close to the wall over here where I am. Let me see if I can pull you through. Dang,
Nope.
doesn't even work.
Push me. Don't push me. What? Yeah, dude. Oh, damn. Oh, damn.
That could be someone pushing through. Stop! Chance! Chance!
All right.
Chance over
All right, who's
there.
good?
That wasn't me. Slam, take down 7 people. Now, you get XP if you do those quests. Alright. Is that one of them? Yes, it was.
Let's go find a different wall to glitch because there's. Oh wait, we need one more person so they could glitch me through the wall over here. Yeah, glitch Linnea through. Right now, just pick somebody to glitch through. I need someone to glitch me through the wall over here so I can